Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be discussing about weekly contest first question, which is maximum length substring with two occurrences. Suppose we are given a string and then we need to find the maximum length of a substring such that it contains at most two occurrences of each character. Suppose let us take this particular example where we have B, C, B, B and then B, C, B, B and then C, B, A. So if we consider this particular example, this is going to be our string. For this, I'm going to consider the strings, substrings whichever has this particular substrings where we have only two occurrences of elements. Suppose I take B, then this is going to be my string where I do not have more than two occurrences of the character. Suppose if I take this particular BC, then also I do not have any more than two occurrences of particular character. Suppose if I take this particular string, then I'm going to have only two but not more than two. So this is going to be my answer. So I'm going to keep track of global answer, which is going to be as of now 3. And then after this I'm going to move from here to here, which is going to be from this particular B. For this, the length is going to be 4, but I have 3 elements. So instead of considering these 3 elements, I am going to move this particular node from here to here, and then I am going to check whether it contains more than 2 or not. If it doesn't contain more than 2, I am going to stop at this particular case where it is going to be left pointer, and then this is going to be right pointer. This is going to be right pointer. And then at this particular case I am going to stop. So let us take left and then again right. This is going to be my left and then right. So initially the L will be here and then R is going to be here as of now. And then the length is going to be answer 3. Now I'll move the right to here. So this becomes, it is going to have 3 elements. So I'm going to move this L to here. Again we are going to have 3. So I'm going to move here. So it is going to be 2 answer. So at this particular step I'm going to move the R to here. So this is going to have only 2 characters. This is going to be B and then B, and then I'm going to move R to here. Here we have 4 elements but 3 characters which are same. So I'm going to move L to here, and then again I'm going to move R to here, and then this is going to be my answer where I have four characters which are present. So this answer is going to be 4, not 3. And then at last I am going to return the answer. So let us go through the code. So I am going to take the frequency as A of 26, and then I am going to take the left pointer and then right pointer, and then this is going to be my global answer. Till right becomes s dot size, I am going to consider this particular case, and then I am going to increase the frequency which is present in this particular sliding window. Suppose if I increase this particular frequency, then there might be a possibility that this particular frequency has more number of characters than 2. Then I'm going to decrease this particular frequency, and then till it becomes less than or equal to 2, then I'm going to decrease this particular frequency, and then I'm going to maintain the global maximum, and then I'm going to return move the right pointer to the right, and then I'm going to return the answer. So for this, time and then space complexity is going to be, time is going to be big O of n, and then space is going to be big O of 1. Why? Because we are not considering any extra space. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching the video.